Yes! What? Yeah. It's right. Fuck. He's shredding, bro. Bro, he's slapping that guitar the way I used to slap my girlfriend when she got out of line. You get what I'm saying? He's like... Heck yeah, bro! Yes! Yes! Alip can shred. I knew it this whole time. Alip can shred. Hey, Sally, come here. Alibata, guitar boy, is shredding. Come here, Sally. That's just like a really fast legato. That's hammer-ons and pull-offs. So a hammer-on is this. So you pluck once, and you hit the string. So he's doing that really fast. And then, but dude, Sally, come here! He's shredding, bro, on an acoustic. Do you know how hard it is to shred on an acoustic? Okay, let's watch that again. I have to, I'm sorry. Right here. Yes! he goes, because he knows that that's hard to play.
Whoa, oh no. Oh.
Fucking A.
What the? Whoa, 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 whoa! What did he do? What did he do?